Hi, George Focus from Focus Beyond. Thanks for watching. The purpose of this video, I want to show you what I've been doing for 25 years, what I've been teaching all around the world for 21 years. How long does it take? What process do I need to implement to place a trade in the market and make money? Very simple. I'm in a live account and you're about to see the step-by-step process that I take. But very interesting to know that even when I show videos and recordings of placing trades, the process, explaining and sharing my students' results and my results, whether it's a weekly result, whether it's a monthly result, how much we've made, it's interesting that there are people out there who are so negative that are quick to comment and put negative comments in regards to what they're seeing, and yet they don't even understand what we do and how we do it, but yet their level of ignorance proves the type of people they are and the negativity and the negative people that they are, because they're very quick to comment without even knowing what we do and how we do it. But yet I'm doing a video to show and prove in a live account that can be audited the process that we take, that I take and we take to basically place an order in the market. So you're going to see the step-by-step process. How long does it take? Now understand something. This order is going to go into the market, to the US market, overnight while I'm asleep. Tomorrow morning I'm going to wake up. Two things are going to happen. The order's gone in or the order hasn't gone in. If it's gone in, I've made money. If it hasn't gone in, I repeat the process the next day. No loss. But the biggest thing is this. We make our profit and our income, our cash flow from day one. So if my order goes in tonight while I'm asleep and tomorrow morning when I turn my computer on, which you will see part 2, this is part 1. If my order goes into the market, I've made money. And whatever the market does over the next week, fortnight, month, I've still made money. Whether it goes up, whether it goes down, I've still made money. But yet, there are people out there who will be quick to comment and say, no way, BS, George, all this sort of stuff, proving the negative people that they are and the level of ignorance that they have, where they're not willing to listen and learn, but yet they're very quick to comment. Let me take you through the process. See it for yourself. First and foremost, I go to the trade page. I've got to put the stock code in, which is already in the trade. On the trade page, I click Strategy Builder. I add the stock to the strategy. Now, I'm not going to go into detail in regards to what we do and how we do it, because that's another process. But this is how long it takes for me and my students all around the world to go into the market and put our money into the market and make money from day one. So I've entered the code. I've clicked Strategy Builder. I've added the stock to the strategy. I now select the contract that I want to do. So I'm going to click on the contract that I want to do for the next 8 days. So this contract is until next Friday, 8 days. And if the order goes in, I've made money for 8 days, no matter what the market or the stock does. I'm going to select how many I want to do. I'm going to put in the price. So I've got to calculate the price that I want. So just bear with me. I have to just calculate. You can see how long it takes, even with the calculations. I transmit the order. My order confirmation comes up and it says, hey, you're about to buy a parcel of shares and you're about to create a contract on those shares for 8 days. You've specified your limit price. Is everything correct? Yes, the brokerage that I'm paying is $25. It's in the transaction there. If everything is good, which it is, transmit and place. That is it. That is it. That's how long it takes to go into the market. And part 2 of this video, which will follow, will show you exactly what I've made in a live account on the live markets. But yet, again, there are idiots and people out there, I'm going to call them idiots, and take it however you want to take it, who are going to be quick to comment going, BS, no way, full of shit, garbage, all this sort of stuff. It's okay for them to comment and write all that stuff, but when if I come back and reply, ooh, who are you? Please understand, I'm not arrogant, I'm confident. Because I'm confident in a strategy that I've been applying for 25 years, and I'm confident in a strategy that I've been teaching for 21 years all around the world. Yes, there's more to the strategy, but I'm showing you how long it takes to go into the market to make money. Because the biggest thing is this, people want to make money, but people are too scared to pull their finger out and do something. They come up with excuses. Their excuses are bigger than their dreams. If you really want to make money, you'll find ways to do it. You won't find excuses. Look out for part 2. Keep watching part 2. I'll share with you the money that I made. Take care. Thanks for watching part 1. Hi everybody, George Focus from Focus Beyond. Thank you for being here. Part 2, how much money did I make? The trade went through overnight. I'm going to log into my account. You're going to see the whole process. So this is going to be a one take. There's going to be some bloopers, but it's not about how I look, how I sound. It's about proving to you one thing and one thing only, return on investment. Okay, that's all it is. So the fact is, I've made money. How much money have I made? That's what I want to prove to you. So let me get started. I need to log into my account. It is blurry, the background, because again, it is my live account. I'm logging into it. There's data there. There's information on my computer. I can't show you, so it is blurry at the moment. But once I go in and I show you the screen, I will take a screenshot of it, and then I will, bear with me as I log in. Right, so I put in the details. I've got to log in on my phone, because it's going to come up for me to verify it. 2-step verification on my phone. Right, so done. Let that load up. This is the biggest thing you need to understand. If you follow a process, a system with proven practical principles, you'll make money. And it's a big statement to make. But the best thing you need to understand is this. If you follow what I teach and you click the buttons that I clicked and your order goes into the market, you will make money from day one. However, there is a however. Whatever the market does, we can't control. It could go down. It could go down tonight or today, go up today or tonight. No. I am not here to predict what the market is going to do. I'm here to make money off the market, whatever it does. See, there's a difference, but we've been conditioned and trained all our lives that something needs to go up for us to make money. That's what we've been conditioned. But if someone comes out and tells you, I can show you how to make money and we made this much, so quickly people are out there to shut people down without actually going, you know what, let me look into it. And then once you've looked into it, if the person is full of shit, then by all means call them out. But people are coming and commenting without even knowing what we do because they're just keyboard warriors, okay? They're ignorant. You saw me click the buttons. I'm about to show you. So here is my account. Yes, it is blurry. I'm going to go into my positions page. Here it is over here. It's actually gone in. I'm going to share this with you. It's in my trade page as well, but it's over here as the order went in. But what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to take a screenshot of this. I'm just going to take a screenshot of this. As you can see me taking a screenshot right here. I'm going to come over here and I'm going to paste it. And I'm going to enlarge it. And then I'm going to take off the blurriness and I'm going to share this with you. So just bear with me. I'm going to take out the blurriness and I'm going to share this with you. Okay? So now, watch this. I'm actually not going to bring it up. I'm going to point this out. Can I ask you a favor? And in fact, if you do me a favor, look, let's do this. I'm going to bring it up on my phone. I'm in Sydney. So this is what I'll do. 12:30 a.m. Sydney time in New York, where the stock market and the stock exchange trades. So here we go. Hopefully you can see that. 12:30 Sydney time, by all means you can do it. 12:30 in the morning Sydney time is 9:30 New York time, which is when the stock market opens. So 12:30 Sydney time is 9:30, this says PM, but I did say AM, so reverse it. So 9:30 AM when the stock market opens. The purpose of me telling you this is 12:30 in the morning, I was asleep. My stockbroker put the order into the market, and have a look over here. This is the time that the order went in. 00 is 12:30, so 12:30 in the morning and 38 seconds. Within 38 seconds, my order has gone into the market. Okay? Now, I've just realized I haven't covered the stock code, but I will cover it when I edit this just to cut and paste it. So forgive me, I have to cover the stock code. I can't show you stock code. So bear in mind, I have the stock code will be covered. So 12:30 and 38 seconds, my order's gone into the market. Okay, so again, as you can see, I'm doing a video. This is not about fancy editing and fancy stuff. It's about purely proving to you return on investment, proving to you that the system's working and I've made money purely by you seeing with the buttons that I've clicked. That's as simple as that. So 12:30 and 38 seconds. Within 38 seconds, my order's gone into the market. BOT, I bought a stock for $48.91. So work this out. $48.91 is what I paid. It doesn't matter how many I bought. I bought stock. I bought a parcel of them. I bought it for $48.91. Now, today is Friday, the 1st of November. So think about this. From the 1st of November to the 8th of November, I have a contract for 8 days. Okay, it's 8 days. Friday today, because it went in today, so it's today and then the next 7 days. So total of 8 days. Okay, we calculate it as a total of 8 days. So 8 days, I've been paid $1.48 return on investment. I sold this contract to the market. I've made $1.48 return on investment. So I paid $48.91 and immediately, look at the time. Look at the time. Immediately, I've received $1.48 straight into my bank account. Now, you don't need to be a genius to work this out. And even if you're not great at maths, I'm not good at maths. But let's work this out. $1.48, divide that by $48.91 as a percentage return is a 3% return. Hopefully you can see that. Calculate it yourself. $1.48, the money that I've made on the investment of $48.91 times 100, 3% return. Ask yourself, what is the bank paying right now in a term deposit over 12 months? 5%? 4.5%, somewhere around there. So give your money to the bank because you think the bank is safe, and I'll give you 5% a year. I've just done 3% in a week, 8 days. Whatever the stock or the market does by next Friday, in the next 8 days, I don't care. I've made a 3% return. It could go up, it could go down. If it goes down, there are strategies in place to still make money on a stock that goes down. Because I'm not in the market. I am not in the market to predict what the market's going to do. Whether the stock or the market over the next 8 days goes up or down, I've still made 3%. Now, whether I turn my computer on every single day to watch the stock market, or if I don't turn my computer on, I've still made 3%. That's it. That is it. I can enjoy myself till next week, and then on Friday or Saturday next week, after the market closes in the US, what has the stock done? What's the market done? Has it gone up? Has it gone down? And if it's gone up, I basically go to my education and say, what do I do? If it goes down, I go to my education and it says, what do I do? And that's what my students learn and have learned over the last 21 years all around the world. Very simple. You can sit here and comment, not you, but people can sit and comment and say, BS, no way, garbage. Here's another person trying to sell you something. Here's another person trying to promote something or whatever you want. I'm not selling anything. Right now, I'm not selling you anything. I'm just showing you what you're missing out on because of your hesitation and procrastination. And people's ignorance and negativity will never put an extra cent in their back pocket. Do you want your money working for you? We got 2 months to the end of the year. 2025, what's it going to look like for you? Is it going to be another 2024? I can tell you hard times are coming in 2025. If you don't build another income stream, you're relying on one source of income and that's your job. Forgive me for being direct, but that's the way I am because I'm here to coach you and mentor you to a whole new level. I don't tippy-toe around people's emotions, just like a gym coach does not tippy-toe around your emotions. They will push you to get you to where you want to go. I'm here to see you succeed if you want to succeed. You know the saying, you can lead a horse to water, but you can't make it drink. The end result, the decision is yours. If you do nothing, nothing changes. But if you want someone that's going to push you through your boundaries and through your limits to show you how to make your money work for you, where you'll turn around in 12 months' time and say, thank you, George, for pushing me. I'm here for you. Otherwise, I'm not here for you. I'm not here for everybody. If you really want to learn how to make your money work, there's a process. Time and effort needs to be put in. Yes, we click the buttons, we make money, but you need to know what we do, why we do it, and how we do it. You need to learn. You need to build the pipeline. But once you've built the pipeline, once you understand what you're doing, it's as simple as the 2 videos you've just watched, part 1 and part 2. That's it. I can enjoy the next 8 days and my money's working for me and I've made money. And I can be anywhere around the world, living a life that many only dream of. As you all know, if you do want to learn the process and you want to sit in my workshop, I run a 4-hour workshop. All you need to do is go to my website, focusbeyond.com/masterclass. Click on it, register. Attend my workshop. It's 4 hours. Because for me to teach you properly, I need to teach you in 4 hours. I can't do it in an hour or in 2. If you're not willing to give me 4 hours, you don't really want wealth. You don't want to be financially free. You don't want success. Your excuses are bigger than your dreams. It's as simple as that. Because how many people sit on a couch for 4 hours watching episodes and then they go, shit, 4 hours have gone by, right? They can do that, but they won't sit and listen on how to make their money work for them. That's why people aren't successful, right? How many trading statements of my students all around the world would you like to see for results? I can share them. I can show you. This is in a live account, my account. I'm more than happy to show the statements. I just can't show the actual trade. Here is a screenshot. You see me logging into the trade. You see me taking a screenshot. I've posted it here. And there'll still be people out there going, BS, George, no way. So please understand. Yes, I'm confident. I'm not arrogant, not ignorant. I'm confident. Because I know the strategy works. 25 years I've been doing it. 21 years I've been teaching it. And thank you for being here. But I'm not here to tippy-toe around people's emotions. I'm here to help you grow if you want to grow. So click on the link, register to my upcoming masterclass. It's a workshop, 4 hours. Join me. I explain it all. You need to see it. You'll understand it. Doesn't mean you have to do it. It means you're just educated. Because once I've taught you, once you've seen it, you know it. You can't unlearn it. Just like learning how to ride a bike. Once you learn how to ride a bike, even if it's 10 years later, you can jump on a bike and still ride it because you've learnt it. Once you've learned how to make your money work for you and you've built the pipeline, you can apply it whenever you want in your life. Thank you for watching. I greatly appreciate it. Enjoy your day, your evening, wherever you are around the world. God bless you. And hopefully I'll get to see you in my workshop. Take care, everybody. Bye.